you gonna crawl? Look. Are you gonna crawl? Do you want that? Oh, that wasn't nice, Mom. Can you get it? Can you get it? Oh. Hi. Come on. I don't know why I'm encouraging this. I don't really want you to start crawling. Does that make me a terrible mother? Oh well. Hi. Oh, are you gonna roll over? Hi. You like the camera. Oh, there she starts to inchworm. You're getting it figured out a little bit. Look, you want your toy? Oh, heavens help me. You're gonna start crawling. I think you're going the wrong way, Missy. I think you're going the wrong way. Okay. Oh, I know it's frustrating, but your toy's over here.